Hello everyone, this is Clan Reckless, and today we're going to be doing a video on the Apple wireless keyboard that is Bluetooth. So what we get in the box is just the keyboard and the instructions booklet, but don't think we're going to need that. Fairly easy to set up with any Bluetooth computer. As you can see, here's the product. This does not contain the numeric keypad, and it has chiclet style keys. And here's just a quick comparison to the wired keyboard. As you can see, it is much smaller than the wired keyboard, which is better. The wired keyboard also has a USB port on each side, and this does not. Right here is a place where the battery goes. You just unscrew it with a coin. And here is the power button. And this keyboard is not backlit, and except for that light. Alright, and there's the review on the Apple Bluetooth keyboard. Oh, and by the way, this keyboard can also be connected to iPhones and iPads, including all the new Macs. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.